guys, what you're doing is slowly lowering down into this position. You're still keeping that chest up, nice and strong. And from there, what you're going to do, you're going to use arms and you're going to use legs as well. And what you're going to do is bring these up, hold them in this position for a split second, forming a Y, and then you're going to slowly fight on the way down. And as you come down to this position, don't stay there very long, and up.
Notice the key here with the hips coming up. See how Paul's leading up with that nice little pushka? There it is, and
it really is
the
a
power
real
generated.
trust with your hips to get yourself up there, and then you've got to fight on the way down. So how many is that, 3?
Yep.
Okay, posture and position. Are we set? Toes up, everything locked in place. We're going to do 12 again, and we're going to do them great. We ready? And sink down, and you're going to pop with your hips. You're going to pop with your hips up. Let's go, up. Get that position, and then fall back in the crowd and work hard. Work hard on the way back. That's it. Good, Christine.
And up. Come on, that's our 5th one. Hold, lean back into it, lean back, keep them taut there. Good, and down.
And pop, that's 3. Don't you get ahead of me, Pete. And hold, that's it. Fight it down, that's it. Good, right down, and then pop. Don't hang down there too long, that's it. I want you to fight it down slow. Fight it, Kane, come on.
Up. Good, this is 7. Hold it, fight it, lean back, down, 2, relax, and up.
Pop, drive with those hips. That's it. Now as you start getting tired, you drive with your hips. Drive with your hips up and then hold yourself there. That's it, Darren. Excellent. Good. Slowly down. Good. How many's that? Come on. Right. Hold it. Good. Fight it on the way down. Good, 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 good. And drive. Hold it. Up high. Get them up high and get your elbows bent. Come on, don't lose concentration. You've got 2 with that. Drive and finish them. Drive and finish them. Come on.
Come on, get those Ys up, hold. Come on, get it back there, Trish. Good. Hold. Now back for 2. Down. And last one, up. Hold, come on, wide. Fight it. Fight it. Down for 1. Down for 2. And relax. Well done, team. That was excellent. Good concentration. Excellent.